Hi, in this video we're going to take a look at closed class parts of speech again, and we'll be doing the question words, conjunctions, the determiners, and the interjections in this video. I'm going to be demonstrating with Unity 84 software, but the closed class part of speech pattern is a part of all of the different versions of the sequenced Unity softwares. So again, let's start with the determiners. The wizard is pointing with his wand, and if we select the wizard, the most common word that we would say that's a determiner is that. So we can say he's pointing to that. If we select the determiner again, we see the word this. You see this little string tied around the finger? You must remember this.
This.
Select the determiner again to get the word these. These dice are so small, they fit in my hand.
These.
But those mountains are far away.
Those.
Right? Okay, let's go ahead and practice a couple of sentences with those. Let's say, I like those shoes.
I
like those shoes. Now remember, we're going to have to add a plural to that.
Shoe.
With this S over here.
Shoes. I like those shoes.
I like those shoes. Or, I need these, I need these shirts.
I need
these dice.
These
Shirts.
shirts. I need these shirts.
Good. Let's do that with a sentence. Let's say, that book is mine.
That book is mine. That book is mine.
And this game is hers. This game is hers.
Hers. This game is hers.
Okay. There are some other determiners in this category that we should take a look at. Let's take a look at some. Some snails go really slowly, right?
Some.
And let's do all. And that's our determiner plus the family.
All.
You might even remember that show from a long time ago, All in the Family. So let's say, who ate all of my cookies? Oh wait, we didn't do question words yet. Let's say she ate all of my cookies.
She ate all my.
Going up to our desserts, looking for cookies.
She ate all my cookies.
She ate all my cookies. Or we could say, I want to eat some. I plus the want icon.
I want to eat.
Determiner and our snail for some.
Some.
Let's do one more with some. Let's say, I need some water.
I need some water. I need some water.
Next, let's take a look at the question words. The question word key has a question mark on it. When I select that, I see the different question words that I could ask. This boy over here wants a cookie. We could say, who wants a cookie? Or you might remember that Barney song, Who Took the Cookies from the Cookie Jar? So let's say, who wants a cookie? Who?
Who?
The want icon wants a cookie.
Cookie. Who wants a cookie?
Or who wants to go outside?
Who wants to go
Outside, remember, is preposition plus the sun.
Outside. Who wants to go outside?
Let's look at another question word. Let's look at where. A map tells us where things are.
Where?
Where is that hat? Where is that hat?
Hat. Where is that hat?
Where are we going? Question, oops, not that one. Question word plus the map.
Where?
Where are we
Are we
going?
going? Where are we going?
Let's do one more with where. Let's say, where is my, where is my notebook? Question word plus the map.
Where is
my notebook?
Notebook. Where is my notebook?
And then I could say, oh, that is my notebook.
Notebook. That is my notebook.
Okay, let's do one more question word. Let's do what? Question word plus the TV.
What?
Gives us what? Because we might ask what's on TV or what do you want to watch? And so if I want to say, let's say, what is to eat? Question word, what is
to
eat?
eat?
What is to drink? What is... Now, last video we learned there, so let's go up to our adverbs, up to the top row. What is there to drink?
To drink. What is there to drink?
What is there to drink? Okay, let's take a look at one more question word. Let's do why. Why is she coming? Our auxiliary verb plus she.
Is she
Why is she coming?
coming? Why is she coming?
Okay, let's do another sentence with why. Question word plus why.
Why
Aren't they? So we're going to start with our auxiliary, go to our negative. Aren't they sleeping?
Sleeping. Why aren't they sleeping?
Why aren't they sleeping? So we've done question words, we've done determiners. Let's take a look at our conjunctions. The conjunction in a sentence holds two parts of a sentence together. And so you'll see these two trains are being held together by that little coupling link. And the most frequent conjunction that we have is the word and. And so if I select it twice, I get and. Let's say I like coffee and tea. I like coffee and tea.
Tea. I like coffee and tea.
Or let's say they played with you and me. They played with, we learned last time, is preposition plus the mom and her baby.
With
You and me. Another conjunction is or. Conjunction key plus the masks gives us or because we could say, are you happy or sad?
Or.
Let me ask, do you like blue or green? We haven't done the color words yet, but this is a good time to introduce them. So I'm going to say, do you like, which is going to be the sun plus
Do you like?
Our rainbow gives us colors, blue, or conjunction plus masks,
or
back to the rainbow to find green.
Do you like blue or green?
And let's practice both those color words and or again. I'm going to say I don't like blue or green. I plus the not plus the sun.
I don't
like blue or
green. I don't like blue or green.
Okay, so our conjunctions that we automatically think of are and, or, and but. And so but is our conjunction key plus the bed.
But.
I always think of it, if I were talking to my kids, I might say, get your butt in bed, right? So that's a little play on words. So let's say, I like purple, but I don't like green. Oops, I double hit that by accident. I like purple, but I don't like green.
I like purple, but I don't like green.
Now, I don't remember if we've done this word before, but if not, it's a good time to learn it. If I double hit on my negative, I get the word not.
Not.
So I could say I like purple, but not green. I like purple, but not green.
I like purple, but not green.
Another conjunction that we can say is the word because. So if we start with the conjunction key and come down to the mom and her baby.
Because.
We could say because, when actually kids ask us a lot of questions and we say because, right? And so let's say, I need to eat because I'm hungry. I need to eat because I am hungry. I am hungry.
I need to eat because I am hungry.
She is sleeping because she was tired. She is sleeping because she was tired.
She is sleeping because she was tired.
Okay, so we have taken a look at question words, conjunctions, and determiners. Let's take a look at interjections. Interjections are things that pop into our sentences, and so that's why we have this explosion of a firework. If I select the interjection key twice, I can say awesome. I'm going to say that book was awesome. That book was awesome. Another interjection or thing that pops into our conversation might be the word okay. That's the interjection key plus just coming up to the activity row, okay.
Okay.
Okay, if somebody says, can you help me? Can you help me? You might say, okay. Please and thank you are under our interjection key. So when you want something, you say please. Let's say, can I have a milkshake, please? Can I? Have is a new word. It's going to be with our money. Have a milkshake. Please.
Can I have a milkshake, please?
Or can you play with me, please?
Can
you play with? We learned last video is preposition plus the mom. With me. Please. Let's do one more. Please, can I go outside? Please. Can I go outside? Preposition plus son.
Outside. Please, can I go outside?
Thank you, again, is on the interjection key, and it's up in the activity row. She's saying thank you.
Thank you.
Let's see. Thank you. I can do it myself. Thank you.
Thank you.
I can
I can
do
do
it
it
myself.
myself. Thank you. I can do it myself.
As you noticed, in each one of those closed class parts of speech, the question words, the conjunctions, the determiners, and the interjections, there were many words to explore. So go ahead and take some time on your own, explore these parts of speech, and practice making some sentences by yourself.